So I recently went on a Lush Haul with my friend Emily, and we bought a few bits from Lush, and here they are. So I bought the Shoot for the Stars bath bomb, and this actually smells really nice. So you paint the swirling colours of the night skies over the surface of your bath. Sounds really nice. I also bought Candy Mountain, and Candy Mountains absolutely smells gorgeous. Like, it's made my whole room smell really nice. It's still in my room. I can open it. Sorry, guys. Doesn't look like it wants to come out. Oh no. Here it is. Such pretty colours as well, and it actually sort of smells like candy. It's just gorgeous. This side. I also bought the Magic Wand bubble bar. I thought this was so cute when I saw it, and it smells really nice as well. And then the last one I bought was Butter Bear, and it actually looks like a teddy bear. It's so cute. Look, it's so sweet. I had to buy it when I saw it. I'll be trying these out in the bath, and then I'll be showing you how they look. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe please, and I shall be posting down below the link to my friend's video. Thank you, bye.